Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves and how to introduce someone else. Okay, so let's start with como se presente, means how to introduce oneself. Now, whenever we introduce ourselves, first thing is that we tell our name, our age, nationality, profession, the place where we live, the languages that we speak, and our likes or dislikes. So the verbs which are used with all these information, let's have a look at that. For telling our name, we use the verb s'appeler. S'appeler means to call oneself. So we say je m'appelle and our name. Then with age, we use verb avoir. For telling our nationality, profession, and for using adjectives, we use the verb être, which means that we are giving a description. Then, for telling where do we live, we use the verb habiter. Habiter means to live. For telling the languages that we speak, we use the verb parler. Parler means to speak. Then we can use verbs aimer and détester. Aimer means to like and détester means to dislike. We can use these to tell the activities, the people, the objects, what we like or what we dislike. Okay, now let's start with the first example of présentez-vous, means introduce yourself. So it goes like, je m'appelle Marc, j'ai 10 ans, j'habite à Paris. The first three sentences mean, my name is Mark, I am 10 years old, I live in Paris. Then, je suis indien, je suis étudiant, means I am an Indian and I am a student. Je suis grand et mince, je suis intelligent et gentil, means I am tall and thin and I am intelligent and kind. Je parle hindi, anglais et français, means I speak Hindi, English and French. Mon anniversaire est le 10 janvier, means my birthday is on 10th January. J'aime le chocolat, je déteste le fromage, means I like chocolate and I dislike cheese. Ma couleur préférée est rouge, means my favorite color is red. Mon passe-temps est de regarder la télé, d'écouter de la musique et de jouer aux jeux vidéo, means my hobbies are to watch TV, to listen to music and to play video games. Je veux devenir médecin, means I want to become a doctor. Now the next example where a girl is introducing herself. So, je m'appelle Clara, j'ai 11 ans, j'habite à Nice, means my name is Clara, I am 11 years old, I live in Nice. Je suis indienne, je suis étudiante, means I am an Indian and I am a student. Now here, both the words are highlighted because in the previous example, a boy was introducing himself and here it is a girl. So nationality and profession, it depends on the gender. So in Andia, we have added NE to make it feminine and étudiante is with E which is in the feminine form. Then next, je suis grande et belle. Je suis intelligente et gentille. So I am tall and beautiful. I am intelligent and kind. So same way for the adjectives also, it depends on the gender of the noun. Here it is a feminine gender, so the adjectives are in the feminine form. Next, je parle hindi, anglais et français, means I speak Hindi, English and French. Mon anniversaire est le 20 avril. My birthday is on 20th April. J'aime la pizza. Je déteste le fromage means I like pizza and I dislike cheese. Ma couleur préférée est rose. My favorite color is pink. Mon passe-temps est la lecture means my hobby is to read. J'aime lire des romans. Je veux devenir écrivain means I like to read novels and I want to become a writer. Now let's move to the next part, présenter quelqu'un, which means to introduce someone else. So now, présenter votre ami means to introduce your friend. So here again we'll start with the example where we are introducing a boy. So the first thing is the subject pronoun. First, when we were introducing ourselves, it was je, which means I. Now we are introducing someone else, and here it is a boy. So the subject pronoun will be il. So the first sentence, il s'appelle Paul, means his name is Paul. Then, il a 10 ans, il habite à Paris, means he is 10 years old, he lives in Paris. Il est indien, il est étudiant, means he is an Indian and he is a student. Il parle anglais, hindi et français. He speaks English, Hindi and French. Il est grand et beau. He is tall and handsome. Il est intelligent. He is intelligent. Il aime jouer au cricket. Means he likes to play cricket. Son anniversaire est le 10 septembre. His birthday is on 10th September. J'aime mon ami means I love my friend. Now moving on to the next example, présentez votre ami. Here we are introducing a girl. As you can see, ami is written with E, which means it is the feminine form of the noun. So elle s'appelle Marie means her name is Marie. Elle a 10 ans. Elle habite à Paris. She is 10 years old. She lives in Paris. Now over here, we have again changed the subject pronoun from il to elle because il is a masculine subject pronoun, and here because we are introducing a girl, so the subject pronoun will be feminine, which is elle. So elle s'appelle Marie, elle a 10 ans, elle habite à Paris. Then elle est indienne, elle est étudiante, means she is an Indian and she is a student. Now again, as you can see, indien and étudiante both are highlighted because indien is the feminine form of the nationality and étudiante is the feminine form of the noun. Next, elle parle anglais, hindi et français, means she speaks English, Hindi and French. Elle est grande et belle. Elle est intelligente, means she is tall and beautiful. She is intelligent. Now again the adjectives we have to change to the feminine form because here the subject pronoun is feminine and we are introducing a girl. So the adjectives will change according to the gender. Then elle aime danser means she likes to dance. Son anniversaire est le 15 octobre means her birthday is on 15th October. J'aime mon ami meaning I love my friend. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. And please hit the like and subscribe button on your screen. Thank you.